Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Burger Please game. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no login or sign up for the Burger Please game that is associated with any kind of account, all of your progress and your game data will be saved locally on your device storage. So if you wish to log out from your existing account, you will simply need to clear the data of the Burger Please game. So in order to do this, first of all, open up your phone settings and then from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. From the apps page, you can use the search button and then type in Burger Please and start your search. Once you find the game, tap on it and you will be taken into the application info page. Now just tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, if you tap on clear data at the bottom left corner, this will clear all of your application data that has been saved for the game. Just tap on the delete button after tapping on clear data and this will clear all of your user data for Burger Please. After this, if you go back into your game, you will notice that your game has been logged out and now there is no way to regain back your progress because there is no saved game associated with any online account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on logging out from your game on the Burger Please game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.